Oh yeah, baby, it feels good out.
Welcome back.
I just went down Route 8 to that marathon and came back.
Oh, no way.
You're slow. Shut up. Dude, I can hear the chirp. That sounds amazing. That thing sounds so good.
Hold on. What do we get to? Let's see here.
Grades exist. I'm assuming the temp's gonna go up. Just sitting like this.
The coolant temps, yeah, but that's nothing the bike can't handle. It just blows it onto me.
Just change the coolant. Put antifreeze in it. I'm like, are you? People don't understand.
I saw another Matthew Woods shirtless video today. Matthew Woods posted another shirtless video. I'm like, I haven't posted one in days.
I saw a couple hater TikToks of you. I forgot to send them to you because I was just like, whatever. But there were some hater TikToks. I'm sure. Actually, yeah, I'm sure you guys seen them.
One of them was like, what photo talker wish was
the murderer one was crazy. I don't know. That was crazy.
It's like not even some constructive criticism. Just straight up, I wish you would die.
Yeah, that's crazy. How do you just say that? I hope you die. I mean, we could go up to the next one. Do you get a ticket for no mirrors?
I gotta do this. Call me a sellout, but welcome back, buddy.
Welcome back. Thank you, brother. Squirting everywhere.
You're not used to it?
Dude, not this type of squirtage, man. Maybe something a little more tame. Dude, what is going on? Did I not click it? Anybody else crash or anything crazy happen while I was gone?
Besides, who pointing a gun at somebody. That was probably the craziest thing that happened, which was pretty recent.
I had my plate folded.
I don't want to run from him. I'm gonna get behind him.
I don't give a He's gonna turn around somewhere anyway.
Well, yeah, that's fine. But as long as he doesn't see my plate. Dude, I don't want to run on this road. It's awful to run on. Are you kidding me?
Oh, I could burn through this.
Come on over. Come on over.
Hi, how are you?
Take it nice and slow.
Let him get some distance on us.
I'm just going to rev my H2 for 5 seconds and then leave.
I'm just going to rev my H2, baby.
Ow, Mr. Fireblade. Sorry you're not the center of attention anymore.
Nope, that is not true. I've lost my aura since my accident.
Not lost your aura.
I need to get it back, bro.
Gained it, if anything.
I'm minus 400 right now. Actually, you're right. I probably did gain some.
What does this say? Cash only.
Mine does not say that.
I don't believe you. Says the network is down. How much?
No way. You're lying. It doesn't say that.
It literally. I have it on video. It says cash only. Sorry for the inconvenience. Our network is down.
Dude, they got hacked, bro. They got hacked. Mine says insert your card still.
I still have the water bottle, by the way.
All right. I feel bad if somebody only put $1 in before me. They put in 0.281 gallons.
Person before me was probably oh, it says credit system is down, dude.
Really? Let's see. Let me give this. Credit system's down.
Yep. We gotta go somewhere else.
Nearest gas station's so far from here.
It's all right. We'll just hop on for a little bit. Hop off when we see a gas station.
Yeah, but it's the hood from here on out, though.
All right, then we just take it easy till we get there. It's quicker than getting off. We'll be fine. It'll be quicker than. We just gotta go slow.
I don't know how much gas I have.
Not a lot. It'll be fine. Well, yeah, mine's probably not all right. I'm boosted. Remember?
I'm gonna shit my pants as soon as my gas light comes on.
Don't do anything stupid.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
All right, let's go. All
right, dude. Putting my glove back on. Watch out for the baggers, bro. They're rolling in. Dude, if I was on one of those, I'm 100% dead right now. That's all I'm saying. Pedro.
Oh, this is clapped, dude.
No.
I'm gonna stop.
I need gas.
I know. I'm pulling in here because they're hogging.
Hold on.
Oh, come on.
I need gas, bro.
I need gas too. Are we just
gonna back right into her ass?
Yeah, they're blocking the pump.
I watched you on TikTok.
What's up?
It's nice to meet you, man. I like.
Thank you, brother.
It's kind of cool that you're in person.
What?
It's kind of cool you're in person.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, well, I mean, I figured I'd meet you one day. You know what I mean? But
that's dope, dude.
Oh, yeah.
I appreciate that.
It's pretty cool.
Someone told me about this, and I was like, hit it up.
I might pull it up, yeah. I like the Ducati more.
Oh, yeah. I just got this back today, so I had to take it out.
Yeah. What happened with your rim?
Oh, we hit something up on 480. It was just like a big metal thing in the road. I hit it and bent both my wheels. I have it back. It's just
Yeah, that's what I seen you post on Instagram. But yeah, you're riding this.
Yeah, I mean, it's his first day back out too. He was the one who got hit.
He got
the legend's back out and running. His finger's a little fucked up still, but
it's crazy to see you
guys.
I see you guys on TikTok every day, and then it's crazy that you just pull up to the gas station.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I ride around here. I'm local. It's just the chances of running into a specific person at a certain time is pretty low.
I gotta get me a bike, man.
What's up?
I gotta get me a bike. I've been looking. I don't know what to go into. I want a Suzuki. or whatever, but
Why, someone stopped you from doing it?
You're the reason that probably I would get one. You know what I mean?
Oh hell yeah, that was dope.
You and Trevor. You know Trevor with the Ducati. His brother.
Frank.
Oh, Trevor's his brother. Yeah.
Yeah.
Frank. Yeah. I gotta get you.
Yeah, he's really local.
Yeah. It's honestly so cool to meet you though.
Yeah,
I don't mean to fanboy or anything like
no,
that.
dude, you're being respectful as hell. I appreciate it.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll park over there. I'll stay for a little bit.
You're gonna stay a little bit. All right.
I just gotta fill up first. This thing sucks through gas, so.
I heard you said it overheats real quick.
Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah.
I mean, today's a little bit cooler out, but it's still doing it.
What's up?
Today's a little bit cooler out, so it's not as bad, but it's still doing it.
Yeah, but you can't just get on it. Yeah.
Pretty bad. All right, well.
All right. Yeah, I'll let you get gas and I'll come back.
Dude, who are all these people? I think I don't know any of these people on bikes right now.
Oh yeah.
It's totally different. This is the first time I've seen it in 82.
Yeah, I've never seen
I
one.
just got it back today. It had a lot of paint defects from the factory. Kawasaki. It must have been built on Friday or something. It had like scratches all over here, but I got it all replaced under warranty, and so it's all good.
Hell yeah. What other bikes do you got? You still got the S1K?
Security operation.
I think my next bike's gonna
Any
be the
individuals in
S1K.
the front parking
I know
lot,
too many
at the
bad
gas
things
pumps, and those behind the gas pumps. You are in violation of the Sheets No Loitering policy. You need to exit the property, or police will be dispatched.
That's actually like a pretty cool warning. They're like, oh, they're cool with it. They just have to be behind the pumps.
So I'm debating about getting the S1K, but I'm hearing too much bad about it. You know?
No, stay away. Stay away. They're bad. I'm literally making a video about it. Like, no.
Really?
Yeah, dude, stay away.
Really?
Yeah. Japanese.
I
I
got a
make an
600.
exception for Ducati.
That is out of my budget, but I mean, S1K still up there. I hear they're evenly balanced and shit. Power's there.
It's 999. The BMW and the Ducati before, like they're comparable in price. That's like I actually have a lot of fun on the small bike.
That's what I've been hearing, because I want a 1000, but they say you can't really get full use out of it, you know?
Have you ever ridden the bike?
I got a 600.
Oh, you do?
I got a double R 600.
Oh, word.
05. So.
How long you been on that?
About a year.
I would say no.
But like all my boys got like thousands.
Well, how long have they been riding?
A year, 2 years. I mean, I feel like I'm ready, but people tell me I'm not, you know?
It's a big jump. Maybe like if you
I
get
never rode a 1000.
if you get a 1000 with all the tech on it.
What's up, Matthew Woods?
Yeah, what's up, dude?
How you doing, bro?
I'm good.
I just want to say hi. I like your bike. Is it?
What are you saying?
If you get one like they do with the technology now, it's got all the electronics.
Never got it in the rain? Does it do good in the rain? Yeah. I heard they got the best traction in the rain or whatever, you know, like all technology and shit.
It's got like I said, it's got like all the. It doesn't have all the modes like other bikes, but go from a 600 to a bike with a lot more power with no technology. Like that's a big jump.
Yeah.
And I don't want. I'm trying to teach people like.
Yeah, it's good talking to someone that knows more, you know? Like, I've been talking to kids that ride 2 years. You're over here 5 years.
I'm still learning too. Like I still, I don't know. Like you realize, like you think you know more than what you actually know. And then you catch yourself, you're like, oh shit, I did not know.
Yeah. Thanks for your advice.
Yeah.
It's good talking to someone that knows a little more than I do, you know?
Yeah.
I've been riding longer.
I'm still no expert, bro.
Oh, no, I know. No one is right.
Just from what I've seen, I've seen a lot of kids die. You know, the scene has changed a lot in the last 5 years.
Yeah. All right, yeah. I'll definitely think about it some more. So good talking to you, though. All right, you stay safe, all right?
What's up? I gotta go park this thing. I'm blocking the pump. Where's your bike at, sir?
You know where my bike's at.
Yeah, is that home?
Unrideable.
Dude, he bought a bike that he can barely ride because it gets so hot. How crazy is that?
He just likes to sit on it.
I didn't hear what he said.
He said you just like to sit on it and make your TikToks.
He's just a helmet talker. He doesn't ride.
I want it more. Derek, hop on. Yeah, dude, he's a bad influence, bro.
I gotta get this hoodie off. I'm sweating.
Oh, you should move to the right a little bit more.
Man, we're rolling out.
Bro,
It was nice meeting
I
you.
am edging my clutch right now.
You have a good night too.
Yeah,
Though.
you too. Appreciate you saying hi.
Dude, I feel like I don't know any of these people. What happened to everybody?
It's a whole new biker crew, dude.
Is it actually?
I don't know. Faces change every year. They get younger and younger.
My God. Nah, that thing's nuts.
Damn, that's like the first time I've ever had this thing like wide open for a while.
And it's doing good because it's cold out.
I know. It's not even that cold though. It's like a nice little like breeze. It just sucks because the V4 is like a bike that is like feels too hot in my nards, and this one is hot because it runs.
It hits the spot just right.
Yeah, it feels good to be back out here with my boy. Riding with too many 600s.
Riding with too many Barokies.
It is genuinely fun to go slow sometimes.
No, I agree. Everything's good in moderation.
Even you agree. You don't have a slow bike.
Just go slow on them, on them.
On that? I don't think you will.
Dude, this thing only gets to 100 miles per hour
In first gear.
in first gear.
Yep. And your point is?
All you need is first gear. Only put in a gallon.
That's it?
Yeah. I was driving like a pussy.
You only put in a gallon. Oh, you didn't even put in a full gallon. Wow, would you look at that?
0.94.
I almost put in 2 whole gallons, dude. Round up.
She's a big gal.
It's that supercharger, dude.
Leave that over there. I want to take a picture.
Why?
I want to come over there.
Okay. I bought this thing to be gas efficient. I don't know why it's getting such bad gas mileage. Wait. I gotta see. So that's 1.6 gallons. I gotta see what my gas mileage was, truly. That's 28.6 miles. So 1.6, I'll be fair, I'll round down. 1.6, wait. I'm doing this backwards. Yeah. How many miles was it? Quick math. I'm in college. You think I'd know?
I don't know what you want from me.
28.6. 28.6 divided by 1.6. 17 miles to the gallon. That's pretty good. Do you want me to like...
Alright, you better chill out. Put your lights on.
Yeah, turn the key yourself then, sir.
Oh, look, it's just me.
Your bike looks like a bald old person without the mirrors. Like there's too much face. Isn't it like a shiny bald person's head?
Just you looking at the amazing paint on this bike.
Covered in bugs, mud bug. Remember you named it mud bug?
Yeah, that was because I literally did not wash it for 8 straight months. These filters suck.
Gotta look for the artistic ones.
For the autistic one, gotcha.
Artistic. This thing's still blowing air. That's crazy.
Now I gotta put a song on.
Oh, I forgot about that. I should probably do that too. So what's really cool, you know about the self-healing paint, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
I do, because I remember you remind me of it 8 million times.
Oh. Do I really?
Just a couple times.
Anyway, yeah, it's got that self-healing paint, so you just leave it out in the sun and it heals itself. It's really cool. You want me to remind you of it tomorrow?
Yes, please.
Word. I'll grab the V4 tomorrow, then we can actually have some fun. Well, actually, no, I gotta show you the wheelies on the NT07. You haven't seen those yet. Buddy over here texting like a 9-year-old girl. Let's go.
Dude, I want to listen to music though on the ride home.
Yeah?
Which means the Santa call is gonna have to come to an end.
That sucks. I don't care. I'm gonna listen to my music too.
Oh, okay. Alright, well,
But you're coming out tomorrow?
tomorrow, my friend.
Word.
Well, I mean, we're gonna ride next to each other the whole way, but... Okay, my friend, I'm leaving the Santa call.
Okay, bye, friend.
I see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.